Hi everyone, it's Teresa with Vintage Wednesday.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm back with another video today. It's Wednesday and I love all things vintage. I recently completed that Juliet dress that's hanging behind me. Hopefully you can see it. I did that last week. I completed it all and I got such a great response. If you're new here and you would like this pattern, I'm giving it away free to all my subscribers. So if you want that pattern and you're not subscribed, I encourage you to please subscribe first. Please join my Facebook group and I would be more than happy to send it to you. I haven't received any pictures yet of a completed project. There is no deadline for it. I'm just coming out here every Wednesday to talk about all things crochet vintage. I have lots of patterns. So that was one of my favorite ones. I had it for years. Found it online free, so I'm giving it away free. I never paid anything for it. So I love the way mine turned out. I got such a great response from all of you. So whenever you can, please post it so I can show it off to others that are interested in vintage patterns. So I'm just trying to think of some ideas of what to do next for vintage. I have more dresses, but since we just did a dress, well, slash top, that is, maybe we can do something else. I have like baby patterns, like beautiful vintage bonnets, blankets, household items, things that are not really that popular anymore, but are very vintagey and very beautiful are doilies. I have lots of patterns for doilies. They're beautiful. So much intricate detail in some of them. I have some beautiful jackets. I have hats. I have purses. So I'm just trying to come out here today to get a little feel of maybe what you're all interested in. Otherwise, I'll just go ahead and pick something that I liked. I have these beautiful shawl patterns. So many beautiful vintage patterns that I have collected over the years. So yeah, just coming out here today to remind you once again that it is Vintage Wednesday at Craving Crochet. And yeah, so just let me know what you're interested in. If there's anything in particular that you're looking for, maybe I might have it. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and pick something for next week, and then I'll introduce it next Wednesday. So it's just a short video coming out here to tell you it's Vintage Wednesday once again. And let me know if you have any favorites or anything that you're looking for once again. and I'll do my best to try and find it, and we can work on it together for Vintage Wednesday at Craving Crochet. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.